Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing of my brand new DJI Neo drone and my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the Creator Combo. So I'm really excited to open these up and see what's inside. I have purchased these purely for traveling. So currently I use the Sony ZV-1 for any recording that I do and Rode set of mics. And what really appealed to me about the Osmo Pocket 3 was the portability of this camera. It seems very small, very compact and very easy to use. You obviously get its name from being able to just carry it around in your pocket. And I was really undecided whether to just get the camera or to go for the Creator Combo, which includes the mic, the special DJI mic, which is paired to this camera. And I decided to go for the Creator Combo because I've heard a lot of good reviews about this mic, and the main benefit being it doesn't require a transmitter, so you don't need to have any, like I currently have a cable hanging off the Sony ZV-1 with my Rode transmitter connected to this mic. This is all built into the Osmo Pocket 3, so all I would need is to attach the mic, which I believe is magnetic, and the transmitter is built in, so we're good to go. So all I need to worry about is holding a very compact camera, which makes vlogging a little bit more discreet, where if you're someone like me who's a bit unsure and a bit nervous about doing it in public, that's really useful. So can't wait to see how this turns out. I'm also really excited for the DJI Neo drone. I've never owned a drone or used a drone for that matter before, and I can't wait to get started. I'm very nervous. I feel like I have all the gear and no idea, and I'm hoping that changes very soon ahead of the trip. So I'm going to get lots of practice in, and I'll be sharing with you how that goes and giving some of those shots in this video. But yeah, this Neo drone is also supposed to be super compact, super portable and lightweight. So both should be ideal for what I need to capture those perfect cinematic shots as we travel. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm going to start with the DJI Neo drone. All of these accessories that I have here on the table are all linked to the Osmo Pocket 3. So I'll be showing what I've also purchased for accessories, but I'm going to start with the DJI Neo drone. So I'm going to open this up. Okay. So in this first box, it looks like we have the batteries, and I am by no means a tech expert. So I'm definitely going to be learning as I go, learning on the job when it comes to this. A nice little handy screwdriver there and some cables. So I'll just keep those to one side for now. And here we have the drone itself. So let me open this up. Wow, you can already feel this is incredibly lightweight. I think it was 130 something grams. It literally feels like nothing at all, no weight to it. And an advantage of that is it's supposed to be super easy to take off and land straight onto the palm of your hand. So I have quite small hands, and even for me, this is comfortably fitting onto my palm there. And what I like about this drone is it feels quite protected. The propellers themselves are fairly shielded, which is super useful. So I'm not worried about those snagging on things when I'm carrying that around. And then finally in here, this looks to be a little stuck. There we go. This is the remote. So this is a little bit heavier, a little bit bulkier, and I believe you can attach your phone to here. I'm going to have to figure out, I don't want to break anything, so I'm going to have to figure out how that goes. But this is the remote that comes with it. I'll be testing that out soon. We also have some spare propellers and the instruction manual, which I will definitely be using. So really excited about that. Okay. And next up we have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So I'm gonna need a knife for this one, just to get the plastic off. Feels like Christmas. Okay, so it comes with a nice little tearable hat to peel there. Oh, I'm scared. Oh. Okay, so it looks like it's all already in the case. So this is again a part of the creator combo. It comes with a case that should be suitable for storing everything that you need while out and about. So let's see how this looks. Ah, okay, so it's not as big as I thought it might be. It's even smaller than I thought, which is amazing. It's like that was super easy to just fit in a rucksack and take on the go. It feels pretty compact. So let's open this up. It also looks like a nice quality case. I think it's waterproof, which is ideal. Okay, here we go. And this is the camera itself, the Osmo Pocket 3. Oh my gosh. It's even smaller than you can imagine. So this is my hand in comparison. So it's smaller than my hand. So I'm going to be taking my time and following the instructions before I do anything with that. I'm going to put that back in carefully. And I believe this is the battery, the intelligent battery. And then we have an extra little extender for the handle. And this is the mini little tripod that it also comes with the creator combo, not a standard. That's so cute that it can just screw onto there and be perfect for putting on the table. So what I'm filming off currently with the Sony ZV-1, I'm having to use a massive tripod and that is on the floor over the top of this table because I don't have anything this small that will just sit perfectly on the table for me. So there we go. Oh my goodness, this is even tinier. Look how small. It's so hard to show the scale. This is absolutely tiny. Definitely smaller than the Rode. So this is the mic. As I say, it doesn't require a transmitter. So I'm just going to put that carefully on there for now. And what else? We have we have a little hand strap and the, I'm not sure the technical word, but like the muff to stop the wind noise. And the, I think, USB-C cable. So yeah, it all fits perfectly. And this is the wide lens that you also get with the creator combo, which is really useful because that's another pet peeve of the Sony ZV-1, that it doesn't have a very wide lens, so it's quite difficult for shooting for some wider shots. So I can't believe how well it all fits so perfectly into this bag. I was so unsure whether to get the creator combo, and I'm so glad I did because this is just such a good case and the mic is so tiny and discreet. I love it. It's perfect. It's exactly what anyone needs if they are thinking about vlogging in public and a bit unsure and a bit embarrassed to do so. I think to get started, this is absolutely ideal. And then in here, this is the protective case. So again, this I believe should just always stay on the camera and it should just slot. Oh, I'm so scared. It should just slot into here. Again, I'm not doing anything until I've read the instructions, and that really doesn't make it any bulkier or bigger, and that should protect it nicely while it's inside your pocket or your bag. And it even has space for the wide angle lens and the Pro Mist lens, so they can fit inside there as well. I'm so excited. It just also feels so temperamental. It is so delicate and tiny, but I'm sure it'll have some robustness to it. Great, well, that is the unboxing of the Osmo Pocket 3. I also purchased the Pocket 3 waterproof case because the Osmo Pocket 3 and the protective case are not waterproof themselves. So just to make sure on even heavy rainy days, if I'm out and about, I want to make sure that it is protected. I also got the Osmo backpack strap mount because I thought that would be really handy if I want to just be hands-free while I'm hiking. I can attach the Osmo Pocket 3 to the backpack mount, and that can kind of just sit there on my chest and be recording, and I can be hands-free for while I'm trying to interact with Chase or carry whatever else I am. So as well as that, I got the multifunction expansion adapter, the Pocket 3 desk fixed base, which in hindsight I probably didn't need with the Creator Combo because it already comes with this little tripod. I got the screen protector just to be safe. I got a micro SD card, and free, because I ordered directly through DJI. With the drone, the Neo, I got a landing pad to kind of test out my skills, and I also got a free SD card storage case. So I have, as I say, all the gear, no idea, I best get practicing ahead of the trip.